and we are going to work with you wholeheartedly to see that Edo is secured. I also want you to know that whenever, whatever is the challenge that you are facing, let us know quickly so that we will know how to arrest it. You talk about school, you talk about hospital, you talk about road. These are things that we are already doing. In the next few days, you will see something happening around your office, the K1 barrack. We're taking that road to Belebele Seaport. We're going to Tamis, about 36 kilometers, and pass it through that your area. The area of drones, yeah, we have actually ordered very good drone that will do a lot of things for us. So once we receive that, then we will also call you to look at it and hand it over to operational use. I want you to help to secure Edo State. Having said that, let me welcome you to Government House, you and your team.
Support they've been getting from Edo State government, which has helped a lot in ensuring we discharge our tax as professional as possible. Sir, I want to assure you that I will build on the already established cooperation. I intend to take it to the next level, and my commitment, my drive, and my passion, like I told His Excellency when I first met him, is that I will work to make Edo State safer. I will work to ensure that the citizens, the good people of Edo State, sleep with their two eyes closed. They go about their business without fear or let.